Welcome! In front of me I have Zeblaze Stratos and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button right here. Keep holding it until you see the Zeblaze logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the Zeroner application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, tap on search and type in Zeroner. Let me change the language quickly. Like that. Then tap on search and you should see this application, Zeroner Health. Tap on it to select it, then tap on get button and wait until the application is done installing. I need to confirm my account, so give me a second. Okay, and now it should install, so let's wait. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Once the application opens, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. For example, location permission. This one is not required, so you can deny it if you want to, or you can allow it if you want to. Next, we have Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so I recommend to tap on OK. And then we have the notification permission. This one is not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission for the notifications to work. If you don't care, you can deny it. And then we can tap on OK, and you should see the login page. You can create an account if you don't have one. You can log in into an account, or you can use the app without making an account, but the data will be saved locally. So if you remove the app and you won't be logged in into account, you will lose the data. So if you want to keep the data from your training sessions and stuff like that, it's recommended to create an account. If you don't care, you can use the app without an account by tapping on use directly. I'm just gonna tap right here, tap on OK, tap on OK, set up the profile. And we can also allow organize some permissions for the health access. So you can allow the app to write or read the data from features like sleep, stuff like that. So to allow the permission, tap on the switch next to feature, and then you can tap on allow right here in the top right corner. Allow or deny the permissions you like, and then let's continue with the profile, like that. And once you're done with the profile, you should see the data page. Now tap on device, tap on watch. The app should detect your watch, as you can see. Tap on it. Tap on pair. Tap on OK. Wait until the AGPS is done updating. Okay, and once it's done, you can refresh the page, and at this point your watch is paired with your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.